Is Venice worth visiting? Absolutely. It is a dream destination, so get ready to fall in love with this magical city. It is romantic. It has charm. Food lovers' paradise with a huge variety of quaint restaurants. Marco Polo was from Venice. Here is something interesting. There are no cars in Venice. Once you reach your hotel, you'll not see any cars. Boats on the canals is your mode of transportation. St. Mark's Basilica is a symbol of Venetian wealth and power. It is the heart and the soul of Venice. Travel tip: go early in the morning when it's not crowded. There are over 400 footbridges spanning the canals. You will be doing a lot of walking. Although the city is composed of over 100 canals and islands, the Grand Canal is the largest and the most important one. It's about 2.5 miles long and about 16 feet deep. Here is a travel tip for you. Make sure you have data on your phone because you'll be reaching out to your maps to find your way from place to place. If it wasn't for Google Maps, we'd still be wandering around Venice trying to find our way back to the hotels. With that in mind, bring an extra battery charging pack for your phone and/or cameras. When you're wandering around in Venice on these narrow street and pathways, look up. It's another sight to see. Did you know that Venice is sinking at the rate of 1 to 2 millimeters per year? And it is built not on water but on mud. A gondola ride is a must-do activity in Venice. It's a symbol of the city, seeing the city from a different perspective. Venice is famous for its canals, which are beautiful and the city's main form of transportation. Gondolas, they're always painted black and in 6 coats of black paint. This is a result of a 17th century law that was enacted to eliminate competition between the nobles for the fanciest rigs and the common man, but each has a unique upholstery, trim, and detailing. The same sirens that are used to signal airstrikes during World War II are still on top of the bell towers in Venice. Nowadays, though, they alert people when the level of the water in the canal suddenly rises above the pavement and flooding the streets. Venice is truly an unforgettable destination. Would we go back to Venice? Absolutely. There's so much more to explore. It has a rich heritage that makes it a destination like no other. So don't miss a chance to experience the magic of Venice for yourself. It awaits. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Until next time, happy travels.